3, Subject English, Lesson number 22, A Team of Workers. Before going to start a lesson, I am going to recite a song. Touch your head and touch your toes, shut your eyes and pull your nose, clap your hands and turn around, jump up high and sit on the ground. So, students, from this poem, we have understood that we are going to learn a lesson. The name of the lesson is A Team of Workers, and this lesson is all about our body parts. All body parts stand together holding hands. All says work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Means all body parts are saying that every time we are busy in our work, whether it is morning, whether it is night. Mouth orders, hands, come forward and tell us what you do. Hand says, we lift, we hold, we carry, we give and we take. We pull, we push, we put, 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There's nothing that we can't do. The hands are telling we are lifting things, we are holding things, we are carrying things, as well as we are pulling and pushing. Like this, lots of work means hundreds of work we are doing, and we are the best and clever pair. That's nothing that we can't do. There is nothing like this that we cannot do. Again, mouth says, feet, come forward and tell us what you do. Feet says, we walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip and jump and hop. We step forward, we turn about, and just in time we stop. Feet says that we can walk, we can run, we tap feet, as well as we can dance. Like these things we are doing, and we stop also. Mouth asks, eyes, ears, nose, what about you? Eyes says, we open, we close, we read, we blink, we see things far and near. It means eyes work is that to see the things those who are far and near. It opens and closes the eyes. Then ear says, and be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. Ears are telling that whatever the sound is there, that it can be loud, it can be soft. We hear that voice. Nose says, I breathe day and night. I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about you, mouth? Here, the note says that my work is breathing whole day and night. I cannot stop breathing, as well as whatever kind of smell I have to smell it, whether it is good or whether it is bad or whether it is best. And he asked, mouth, what about you? Eyes asked to stomach, why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. Means eyes are telling to stomach that your work we cannot see because you don't do any work. Then hand said, the only work you do is to grab all good food. Means here hands are telling to stomach that your work is only to grab all good foods. Grab means to take something for yourself quickly and roughly. Feet said to stomach, you don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? means your feet is telling to belly what work you are doing. You are not doing any work, not you are moving from here to there. Then also, why we should give you food every time? Now all of them are telling, we won't work for you. You won't get any food now. Everybody is telling to belly that now we are not going to work for you and you are not going to get any food. Belly said to everyone, don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. Belly explains everybody that you don't do like that. You have to give me food. If you don't give me food, we all will suffer. We all will have problem. Then all said to Belly, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. Deceive means cheat. Others are telling Belly, you are trying to cheat us. That's why you are not going to get anything. You are not going to have food. Let's see what had happened after 3 hours. Belly said, please get some food. I am all ready to start my work. Then others said, no means no. We are all going to relax just like you. They are telling how you are relaxing yourself every day. The same way we are going to relax. You are not going to get any kind of food. Belly started requesting them, please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Belly is telling that everyone, whatever food you give me, I am digesting for everybody. And because of that food only, you getting energy to work. Still, other parts were not ready to listen to him. They said, sorry, don't try to deceive, nothing you will receive. Let's see what happened after 2 days. Belly, how are you, my friends? Mouth said, oh, I feel so dry because from 2 days mouth did not get any water or any food to eat. Hands and feet said, we feel so weak because no one was having any kind of food and there was no food. That's why they were not having any energy to work. Eyes said, we can't see properly. Ears and nose said, we feel so tired. All of them said that, what's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? Means everybody was not understanding why we are so weak or why we are not having any energy to work. Then brain enters. Brain is the boss of all body parts. Brain said, you silly fellows, now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think. Brain said to all the body parts that you are really silly. You don't understand who gives you energy. That food gives you energy. And on that food, who works it? Think of it. All of them said, could it be? Is it the belly? Then brain said, yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Don't you understand it now? Brain explained to everybody, yes, only the belly is doing work of digesting food, and because of digesting food, you get energy to work. All of them said, yes, yes, now we know. This belly does a lot of work. Though he does not show it off, he does important work. Means everybody has understood that Belly does not show its work, but it's inside the body working very hard, and its work is very, very important. All of them, they hold hands and sing together. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. Thank you.